you good? You're good? Oh, good. I'm happy to hear it. I'm good too. Well, I'm here to ask you a big favor. Do you think you could help me? Do you think you could help me clean up my mess? It's a pretty big mess and I could really use a helping hand. Do you think you could help? Yay! Thank you! Woohoo! Thanks, guys. Okay, but I have to warn you, before we start cleaning up, I have a really sneaky friend, okay? I have a really sneaky friend who does not like to clean up at all. She only makes messes. She doesn't clean it up, and it is not nice. So if you see her, make sure to say, "She's right behind you. She's right behind you." Okay? Can you say that to me? Huh? She really is right behind me. You guys are silly. She's not behind me. Okay, silly gooses. Maybe we should get started. Okay? What should we clean up first? What should we clean up first? The picture. I think we should clean up the picture. Do you see a picture of a house? Do you see a picture of a house? It has a blue sky and a black house with a window and a sun. Do you see the picture of the house? You do? Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Oh, you found it. Thank you. I would not have been able to find that all by myself. If you look closely, you will see lots of flowers on the bottom of the picture. And you will see, what color is the door? What color is the door on the picture? It's red. You're right, it is red. Did you know that our friend Cleo made this picture? Our friend Cleo, who also makes videos on here. What does it look like this picture is made of? We have the paper. The picture's on the paper, but what's on it? Is it markers? Is it paint? Is it crayons? It's kind of hard to tell. It's paint. You can tell if you look really close. It's paint. Very good. Okay, on to the next thing. Can you find the watering can? Can you find the watering can? It is right there. Good job. You found it. Look closely. You can see flowers on it. You can see flowers on it. Maybe that's a clue. What do you think we do with a watering can? What do you think we do with a watering can? Do you think we bury it? I don't think so. Do you think we eat it? No, we don't eat it. What do we do? We water things. We put water on things. Yeah. But what do you think we put water on? What do we put water on with a watering can? Yeah, we put water on flowers. We can put water on plants. And why do we put water on flowers and plants? Why do we give them water? So they can grow big and strong. That's right, everybody. So they can grow big and strong and hopefully one day get really tall. Are plants and flowers the only thing that needs water? Are they the only thing that needs water to grow big and strong? No. You need water, and I need water, and so does everybody else. Everybody needs water to grow big and strong. That's right. Good job, guys. Thank you for finding that for me. Okay. My hands are getting a little chilly. So I think I need to find my mittens. I need to find my mittens. Mittens are things you put over your hand to keep them warm when it is cold. You put them on your hand to keep your hand warm when it is cold. Can you find a mitten for me? Just one mitten? You can. Where is it? You found it. It's right there. Thank you. You can look closely at this mitten. It looks pretty cozy and it feels pretty cozy. It's white, but what other color is on it? What other color is on the mitten? Blue. Blue like on my hat and blue like on my shirt. My shirt has a really dark blue. And maybe some of you guys might recognize this. You might have seen this before. This blue leaf, and it says Toronto Maple Leafs on it. And that's our hockey team here in Toronto. So you might have heard that before. Okay, I have one mitten on, and don't you forget, just a reminder, if you see my sneaky friend, make sure to say, she's right behind you, she's right behind you, okay? Okay. I have one warm hand now, and now my other hand is pretty cold. Can you find the other mitten? Can you find the other mitten for me? Yeah. What? You see her? What? Where is she? I think you're joking me. I think you're pulling a prank. You see her again? She's not there. But I do see the other mitten. Thanks, guys. You guys are silly gooses. But now I have really soft hands. Yay! Or not soft hands, warm hands. Okay, now that my hands are warm, let's see. What else can we find? Can you find my book? This might be a tricky one. Can you find my book? What? No, I'm not believing you this time. She's not really there. What? Oh my goodness! The book was on my head. How did it get there? I don't see her anywhere. Did you put it on my head? No? Well, I didn't put it on my head. That's pretty sneaky. You guys might remember, if you look closely at this book, you guys might remember that I read you this book the other day. So if you wanted to, you could go back and you could go on our YouTube and look in the section called All About Animals, or you could go in the section called Story Time. The computer's about to turn off. Okay, we're okay. or it could be the story time section. So if you want to read the book all about puppies, if you want to read all about puppies, you can go back and hear me read it. Okay, whew, now my hands are getting pretty cold, or hot. They're hot now. Okay, I think I only have a couple more things. Can you find, now this one's very important. Can you find my teddy bear? Can you find my teddy bear? You can. Where is he? Where? Oh my goodness. My teddy bear. You found him. I'm going to give him a big squeeze. Yay. I missed my teddy bear. So this teddy bear is also called a stuffed animal. Do you have a stuffed animal or a stuffy? Do you have stuffies at home? Some of you do. If you have a stuffy at home, what animal is it? Or what kind of stuffy? I have a bear, but I have a friend who has a cat stuffy, or a dog stuffy, or a turtle stuffy. What kind of stuffy do you have? Wow, that's a pretty cool stuffy. Make sure to give your stuffy a big squeeze. Good job, guys. Here, I'm going to put my stuffy down so I can keep cleaning up. Okay, guys, I don't think there's much left. I don't think there's very much left to clean up. So, I don't really see anything else. Oh, yeah, I left my string. Do you guys see any string that I can clean up? Do you guys see any string? Oh my goodness! My sneaky friend, have you been there the whole time? You were telling the truth. Oh, I'm so sorry I didn't believe you. What are you doing? You've been messing up my cleanup time. That's not very nice. Is it very nice to mess up my cleanup or any of my toys? What are friends supposed to do? Are they supposed to mess it up or are they supposed to help? They're supposed to help, right? Okay, so Michelle, my sneaky friend, I think it would be better if you could help me tidy up because you really hurt my feelings. Do you think you could help me? Oh, okay. Thank you. Here. Thank you so much. Say bye. Bye. Well, that's much better. That was really nice of her to tidy up after all. Would you look? Everything's all tidy now. Yay! Now we can go play. That's so exciting. Oh my goodness, friends. Well, thank you so much for helping me tidy up. And I hope somebody will help you next time, or I can help you next time, or a grown-up. So I hope to see you soon. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Okay, bye guys. Bye.